once said, if you just communicate, you can get by. But if you skillfully communicate, you can work miracles. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gulshan Harjani, and I am a presentation skills expert. Over the past 15 years, I have trained and coached over thousands of people around the world to bring their presentations to the next level, and through that, achieve greater success in their lives. But everywhere I go, the challenge is the same. People always ask me, how do I create a more persuasive message? How do I overcome my nervousness? How do I use my body language and voice to create greater impact? How do I make my presentations more interactive? How do I impress my audience? Now, from my years of experience working with CEOs, leaders, managers, bankers, doctors, engineers, data scientists, salespeople, and even marketing teams, what I've done is I've put together all this knowledge and techniques into this 2-day workshop that will help you increase your business presentations to the next level. So here are a few key lessons that you will get through this workshop. Number one, how do you listen to your audience and understand their needs? Number two, how do you prepare a powerful and persuasive message? Number three, how do you design informative yet attractive PowerPoint slides? Number four, how do you convert this fear of public speaking into confidence? And number five, how do you use the right body language and voice to create greater impact? Now, after attending this workshop, many participants always tell me how life-changing this is and how they wish they did it sooner in their lives. Now, I'm sure you will feel the same way. In fact, don't take it from me. Let's hear what the participants have to say.
This training is very useful, and I believe that the trainer is a great trainer who can shape a great trainee.
Hello, so I found this training to be very engaging, and I learned so many things that I did not know before, and I feel like it is very good for people to take this training because it is very eye-opening.
Okay, so by now, I'm sure you agree with me that this is not an ordinary workshop. This is a powerful, life-changing experience for you. And it will help you in two ways. Number one, it will help you to unlearn all the old ideas you had about presentations. Number two, it will help you to learn the techniques of the world's greatest presenters that you can use to make your presentations more effective. So no matter what your role is, what your department is, what company you work at, what message you have, who your audience is, I guarantee you that this learning experience will create massive change and will help you achieve greater results in your life. Are you ready? If you are, I'll see you at the workshop.